Hello, welcome to the first video of 2024. I haven't made a video since my last big custom build, and I got the time, so I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to show you how to curve boards, I'm going to show you how to build a structure to fit boards, I'm going to show you how to cut boards, I'm going to show you everything. Don't you worry, I've got you covered. So, I've got a very large deck by here. I'm curving the perimeter. I'm putting curved staircase in. Not a spiral staircase, not a wraparound staircase. I'm curving every tread. And I'm over 8 foot. So you're talking 14 curved steps. That's a lot of curves. In the center, by here, I'm going to do a chain coming right through the deck and tying in. Let me give you a look at the perimeter. Into this curve by here. That's the formation for my first step. Every single step will follow that and head down there. All the way down there. When I came to see this job, it took me a while to get my head around it because it's a very rural place. This is old country. This country hasn't changed hundreds of years. And I'm working with really modern materials, composite decking, stainless steel and glass. So what I wanted to do was just get it to fit in with the surroundings. So I'm going to build a structure by here. And I thought it'd be nice if I put some decorative lighting in the structure as well. So it takes on a whole new look at night. Okay, more updates as I go on. Thanks for watching.